Okay. Welcome to Lanyula Cultural Village here in Wange, rural Wange, and in the western part of Zimbabwe. This project, we've been working on it for quite some time now. We are trying to create. There's so many projects going around the country, but this is one of a kind. So we're trying to create the next generation of African villages, and this what we're trying to do here is what Zimbabwe should look like in 20 years' time, and we are trying to put that right here for the next generation. So we are working on our concept is based on local resources and sustainability. And on this episode, I'm going to show you. I want to talk to one of the guys who's helping me here as an electrician. His name is going to tell me about me. Yes, hello, sir.
Hi, how are you, Mr. Mtefa?
I'm all right. Good. What's your name?
Okay, my name is Alvin.
Alvin. Good.
Yes.
What do you do?
Okay, I'm an electrician.
Yeah.
Actually, I studied electrical engineering.
Yeah.
So, now I'm here at Lanyula.
Yeah.
To rectify.
Yeah.
An installation that was done.
Yeah.
I think maybe a couple of years ago.
A couple of years back, yeah.
Yes.
And it's
it wasn't done up to standard.
Yeah.
The Zimbabwe standard. We actually use standards here.
Yeah.
So we are going to try to rectify some issues that had to do with cabling.
Yeah.
Wrong cabling was used, for example, in sockets.
Yeah.
They used 1.5 millimeter instead of 2.5 millimeter.
2.5, yeah.
Yes. And also, after doing house wiring, we're going to install the battery.
The battery. What battery are we using here?
Okay.
Can you tell me the advantage of that battery?
Okay.
What battery?
Initially, there were gel batteries.
We had gel batteries, yes.
We had gel batteries here. I'm not sure about the capacity. I haven't checked yet. It's still sealed. Yeah. But we are going to be using lithium ion.
Yeah, lithium ion, yeah.
Yes.
So what's the advantage between the gel and the lithium?
Okay. The lithium ion is, I can say, more recent technology.
Yeah. So it's
up. Yes. That is more energy density.
Yeah.
By that we mean we can charge, it retains more charge.
Yeah.
As compared to, you can store more charge, actually, as compared to lithium ion.
The gel ones.
The gel ones, yeah. Sorry. For the same weight. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So we can store more energy in those batteries in terms of comparable weight.
Okay. So they're quite ideal for remote places like Lanyula.
Yes.
So in the lookout, what do you think? What could we use? Can we use appliances like charge our laptops? Can we charge phones? Can we do a fridge with what we have?
Yes. Of course, yes. Depending on the capacity. I think the installed capacity after we are done here is going to be 450.
450, okay.
Amp hours, yes.
Amp hours, yeah.
Which means we have more load.
Yeah.
But as of now, I think we only have lighting and sockets here.
Sockets.
Yes.
Okay.
So we can actually do that.
Yeah.
And perhaps add television to that.
Television,
yes.
Okay.
In the future, probably when we have the 5 kVA inverter, we can add even more
capacity.
Yes.
Okay. So what's your take on the future? Say in terms of rural sort of sustainability, and also thinking if people are going to use sustainable energy, and do you think that's the way forward for Zimbabwe to like jump and catch up with the rest of the world?
Absolutely. If you look at the way Zimbabwean culture is set up, people are adopting more and more technologies. For example, using laptops, using appliances. Like house appliances. So I think many people are going to be adopting
that.
Yes.
So that's the way forward.
Yes.
Okay. So we're not anywhere far, and we're not sort of we're going in the right direction.
Yes.
Okay.
I also think that with the way we have electricity being scarce.
I think load shedding. We call it.
Load shedding in Zimbabwe. I think many people are adopting
sustainable.
Solar
energy. Okay. So there you had it. I didn't make that up. So he's going to show us, he's going to tell us one of these cablings and all that, and then he's going to show us what he's going to do. And then, do we have anything that we need to know about these bulbs or this lighting
bulbs? These are just what's more interesting here. This is like 10 millimeter
Yeah.
battery cables. We're just going to be creating jumpers.
Jumpers for the cables,
batteries,
for batteries.
To connect the batteries.
Okay, for a layman, that's jumpers. Okay. So are you using a series way or are you using the parallel way? What's the advantage of laying away your batteries?
For now, we're going to be using series.
Yeah, series.
Yes.
Yeah. And what's the advantage?
Because we want to connect our batteries in such a way that since we have these cables, as you can see, they are quite thick. It's quite thick battery cable. It being battery cable that is thick, you can actually series them.
Yeah.
Usually we use parallel when we have thinner cables.
Cabling. Okay.
That aids in trying to reduce the resistance between the batteries.
The batteries.
So since we have thick cable here, we're going to be using series.
Fantastic. There you've heard it. So we've got the gurus working on the next generation of African villages. So can you just show us a quick one, just around what you're going to be doing. Okay. And you've already set some sockets. By the way, this is like a pavilion. It's where people would come and rest and and have a meal or whatever. So this is a bifold door, but we are don't worry about this. It's still some work to be done on this one. So
as you can see here, initially the people who did the installation, they cut they changed the wall horizontally here, and it wasn't looking very nice. So we decided to rewire the house by concealing the conduiting. As you can see, if you can point the camera here, you can see conduiting is now concealed there.
Oh, it's hiding
right up there. Right?
Okay.
So and then we have like these round boxes where we are going to be accessing cable in case we have fault. So you need to pull out the cable using these. As compared to what they've done here, it was going to be sealed like forever. Unfortunately, we pulled these out. So you can see how. But maybe you can see how it was done. So that's what it was before. Yes, before they had the lights on the wall. And it wasn't looking very good. As you can see.
So you can see we have cowboys as well.
It was very nice.
Okay. So luckily I'm with Alvin. He's gonna make things right and do it right. So
so when I came the first time, we put this in. So we are going to be putting very nice terminations. And like good nice light fittings.
Fantastic. So take the images. We'll see the afterwards. See how it will look like.
As you can see before and
then afterwards. So you also have got to have hanging lights down.
Yes. We are going to be putting hanging lights. Here. I think we have them ready. So we're going to be putting them down.
Chandeliers. So they will come down. Okay. So let's show us. Is that okay? So this still. Sorry for the poor lighting. It's still working.
Still working in progress.
There's something going on here. So we
are putting out non-standard old cabling. And putting in new cabling. As you can see, that it's ready.
So that's already. So this is the new cabling.
Yes, this is 2.5 millimeter.
Okay.
So we are going to putting out. As you can see, the way it joins here. This one has joins in it. This is not recommended.
That's dangerous.
Yes. It actually creates heat.
A fault.
And
it's dangerous for tension. No good.
We don't want these joints.
So
we're going to be pulling this out and pulling the new cabling in, as you can see here. 2.5 millimeter. For our sockets.
So what's this? What's this? What's this?
Yes, this is F.
That's F.
Okay. Yes. And this is light. And this is neutral.
It's neutral. So you've got it all. So you've got your neutral here.
Yes.
Live and then F. So you got all that after that. Okay.
So we're going to be pulling this out. This
one here. Then there's your plug here. The switch.
No, that's the switch.
Switch.
And our sockets are there.
Your sockets there. Okay, so that's that. Let's have a look at where the batteries are going to be.
Okay.
Do you have the batteries with you or not? They're still not there.
They're installed now.
So yeah. Unfortunately, we will show you maybe when we get the batteries later. But we haven't got the batteries at the moment. Yes. They're somewhere.
So this is our 1 kV inverter.
Yeah. Okay.
It's a what? It's a what's the brand? UTL.
UTL.
Yeah.
That's an old model, isn't it? Is it okay? Still okay for now?
Yeah, I think for now we can use
okay.
this. It's usable.
And what's that?
Okay, this is our charge controller.
That's a charge controller, yes.
MPPT solar charge controller.
Yeah.
This one controls, as it says.
Yeah, charge control. Yeah.
The charging of the battery bank. And then we have our distribution board. Distribution panel. Yeah.
Okay. So always good. Yeah. So if there's any fault, what happens if there's like a short somewhere?
Okay. Usually this is the operating position is this.
Yeah.
Right? And if in case of a short,
fault,
maybe it usually trips.
Okay. Yeah. So the guys have to just go in and check that and then see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. In most cases, if it's not like if it's a fault that's unresolved, usually, even if you push it up, it's gonna.
So it has to be sorted out first.
Yes.
So
to resolve the fault.
Yeah. Should they switch everything off when they get that kind of problem until that is sorted out?
In most cases, the circuits are separated by breaker.
Oh, okay.
You can have, for example, this breaker, this 20 amp breaker, going to the sockets maybe for particular rooms. And if a fault occurs in those rooms, then this is going to trip.
Okay.
But the other ones may remain functional.
Yes. Fantastic. Wow.
But if the issue is maybe on the main breaker, then the rest of these ones may be unable to provide power because this one is in a tripped position.
Okay, then that will need to be sorted out.
Yes.
Fantastic. The good thing about this is all available in Zimbabwe, and it's a lot of that is available in Zimbabwe, and the expertise is also increased because of load shedding and all that. So the rural homes and rural isolated places are all getting electricity, and we think this is the way forward, and it's sustainable. And the sun is always here in Hwange, and we think an ordinary person should be able to afford it, and there has to be a more look into the funding on how this could be done. But nevertheless, yes. So that's in short is what we are doing for today. That's our summary for powering this place. And thank you for listening from Hwange, from Lanyula. Thank you, Alvin, for all that. Take care.
Sure.
Bye.
Okay, bye.